Hey everybody, this is Deborah from DreLux TV, celebrating everyday luxury and everyday experiences. So I am going to do a really quick reveal. I finally got my Petit Noe back. So if you're interested in that and seeing exactly the job they did at repairing her, stay right where you are. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you see and you would like to hear more from me, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button below, the notification bell, and please give this video a thumbs up. So you guys know I did a video, oh my God, it was months ago, about the repairs I was going to do on my Petit Noe. My Petit Noe is circa 1991. She's been around for a very long time, and her Vacchetta was cracking, and I couldn't really repair it to get it into the shape that I really wanted to get it into. So I decided to have Louis Vuitton repair her Vacchetta and do all of it from the bottom to the strap and everything. And so she has been in the repair shop for a while. They shipped her out to France, and I think they do that a lot because of the age of the bags. I know some locations you can do some repairs there, but every time I take my bags to my Louis Vuitton store in Lenox, and thank you Joel again if you're watching, he is such an awesome SA. It always gets shipped back to France, and then it takes 8 weeks. This was a little longer, but I do have hers, so let's get started. Here's my receipts. I have 2 receipts because I didn't bring in my original receipt to pick her up. The first receipt I have is the estimate receipt from Joel, and that's in this envelope here. And then when I went to the Louis Vuitton store, you usually have to have your receipt to pick up your repair items. I forgot my receipt. I was just so excited just to go pick her up that I forgot the receipt. But I did provide my ID, so you can provide your ID, and so they can check under your ID as well. And it cost $655 to repair my Petit Noe, my 1991 Petit Noe, so I can keep her for another 25 years, and that's in this receipt right here. So when I picked her up, I paid for the repairs and then got this receipt here. So I know you guys are waiting to see the job that they did. I sort of took a sneak peek before I got on this video, before I'm taping this video. So here we go. They put her in this bag for me, and I'm going to pull her out, and I just threw the bag on the floor. They gave me a drawstring bag to cover her in, and I want to reveal my repaired Petit Noe. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. Look at her from the bottom. They did everything. And they did all of the piping, and I stuffed her already. She wasn't stuffed like this when I got her. They gave me a brand new strap. The strap inside that goes through, and it looks like they did a little cleaning on my grommets. So I'm going to show you guys right here. See, it looks like they did a little bit of cleaning there because they look absolutely gorgeous, and so they did a great job, and I am so excited. It's been raining here a lot in Atlanta, so I haven't taken her out. I usually carry this bag in the summer, and then sometimes I will strap on the smaller strap that I got from M-Craft Leather, or my longer strap so I can wear her crossbody. But here she is, all brand new, circa 1991. And let me tell you guys, what I didn't do is I forgot to ask them to put the date code back in. And so of course the date code is not there. And that was something I heard from my girl Kim from Windfire69, to ensure that they put the date code back in. And hopefully you have to stress it's the date code that it was the original date code, because even if you ask for a date code, they may put the date code that they did the repair. But I don't have the date code in here, and that may be to my detriment if I want to sell, but I do have the original date code and all of the data, because people go by date codes. But I do have all of my repair receipts and stuff like that, so I think I'm going to be okay, but I'm not giving her up anyway. So here she is. Look at all of the work they did. They did a beautiful, beautiful job on her. The bottom is all, so guys, I don't know if you saw my video when I was reviewing what I was going to do. I had a huge stain on the bottom of my bag, and so I said, you know what, since the leather is not doing well, I might as well replace that too. So you could see on this side, now it's funny, it says Louis Vuitton Paris on the side here, on the side strap, and I can see if you guys can see that. The indentation there. It looks like it's a little further down than it usually is, because on the original, the printing was a little higher up on this piece, but I have a Louis Vuitton receipt, so I have all of that done. And so yeah, that's it. I have to, do the tie the way I saw a couple of people tie it in a way that you can open it and close it very, very quickly. And so I'm going to do that as well. But she looks absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy to have her back. Finally, they did a great job on her. And I am going to do a what fits in my bag video, but something with a little bit of a different of a twist based on the history of the Petit Noe. No, not the history of the Petit Noe, but the history of the Noe. So that'll be coming up soon. If you guys have any questions in reference to my experience, let me know in the comments section below. Again, guys, thank you so much. I'm so happy to have her back and start wearing her this summer. Again, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you know exactly when I'm uploading another video. And again, be blessed, continue to be a blessing, and I look forward to doing my what fits in this bag with a twist coming up soon. And that will be a little homage to the Noe itself. Just to give you guys a little bit of a hint. Again, I'll talk to you guys later. I love you guys. Bye.